Welcome to FCAT or Forex Capital Advanced Trading, one of the leading copy trading providers in the Philippines. Dito sa FCAT, we make trading simple and accessible for everyone. We use a very powerful AI trading system na only we can offer dahil first ito in the Philippines. So now, napakaswerte mo dahil we can give you free access. No fees, no hidden charges, no subscription monthly. Whether you're a beginner or wala ka pang time to trade, FCAT can give you a smart and proven way to grow your money. All you have to do is mag-join sa aming community and start copy trading. So here are the signal providers or the products na pwede mong pagpilian. Meron kaming FCAT Plus, FCAT Pro, FCAT Premium, Resilience Pro, Smart Algo, Golden Algo, Expert Algo, and Alpha Pro. So here, 8 product na pwede mong pagpilian depending on your risk appetite, depending on your capital, and also depending on your trading goal. So itong 8 products na to is papakita ko sa iyo kung gaano kalanda. Unahin na natin si FCAT Plus. Minimum capital dito is only $100 and this is perfect para sa mga copyers na gusto munang i-test yung water. Gustong subukan kung legit bang kikita, kung legit ba na may profit sa copy trading. And ito is para sa mga taong gusto ng low risk and low reward. So of course, the lower the capital, the lower the potential profit. So of course, $100 yung minimum but we recommend higher. So, ang trading instrument nito is FX and metals. So, nagtatrade to na 7 currency pairs. Nakapag-trade din to ng 15 to 50 trades every day. And ang kanyang monthly target ay 5% conservative. Wala rin itong profit share, no? 0%. Ibig sabihin, 100% ng profit sa copy years. And ang account type is cents STP. So, pag ang account type ay cents, yung makikita mong profit sa account mo, always divide mo to 100. Ibig sabihin, yun yung actual na profit mo. Cents account. Okay? FCAT Plus. Here sa FCAT Pro naman, same to ng FCAT Plus but different capital. So this is para sa mga taong gusto ng medyo mataas ng konti yung capital, $200, and medyo mas maramdaman ng konti yung profit. So, of course, we recommend higher, no? Kesa dun sa minimum capital. And ang tinetrade nito ay same. Forex and metals, 7 pairs. And nakakapag-trade to daily ng 20 to 80 trades. So, unlike sa FCAT Plus, konti lang yung natatrade niya, but here, mas marami. So, of course, the more na nagtatrade siya, the more na malaki yung potential profit na pwedeng mabigay sa'yo. And ang monthly target nito ay 5 to 10%. Wala rin itong profit share. And ang account type ay cents STP. This is FCAT Pro. Next is FCAT Premium. So here, ang minimum capital is $500. And of course, recommended higher. Ang tinetrade nito ay FX and metals, 3 currency pairs. So, nakakapag-trade to ng 5 to 15 trades per day. And ang monthly target, 5%. Meron na itong profit share na 20-80. Ibig sabihin, whatever profit na kitain na account mo, 20% sa master trader, 80% sa copyer. Ang good news ko sa'yo sa FCAT, binibigay namin yung pinakamababang profit sharing. Ang default ay 30-70. But sa FCAT, we only give 20-80 na profit share para mas ma-maximize mo yung profit sa copy trading. And ang account type for this product is standard STP. Ibig sabihin, pag may nakita kang profit na $50 for that day, that is $50 kasi nga standard. Unlike sa cents account, pag may nakita kang profit na $100, divide mo pa sa 100, yun yung actual profit mo. So here sa FCAT Premium, ramdam mo yung profit and ramdam mo yung paglaki ng account mo. Ito yung portfolio na para sa mga tao naghahanap ng moderate risk but high reward na portfolio, no? FCAT Premium. Next is we have Resilience Pro. So here, same. Ang minimum capital is $500. Recommended is higher capital. Same ng tinatrade, FX and metals, but 2 pairs lang. Unlike sa premium, mas marami yung natatrade. And here, ang natatrade niya per day, 5 to 10 trades lang. So, mas konti. Monthly target is 5%. Same sa profit share, 20-80. And ang account type ay standard. So, between FCAT Premium and Resilience Pro, si FCAT Premium yung mas maraming natatrade and mas marami yung kaya niyang i-trade na pairs. So, 3 pairs. So, here, standard account si FCAT Premium and si Resilience Pro. So, ito yung dalawang account natin na naka-standard. The rest ay Sense account. Next is we have Smart Algo. So, ito yung pinaka-recommended namin na portfolio or copy trading product sa gustong mag-start sa copy trading. So, ang minimum capital dito is only $300 and of course, the higher the capital, much better. So, ang trading instrument nito is Forex and Metals and nakakapag-trade to ng 7 pairs. So, imagine, number of trades daily, 80 to 100 trades. So, ang kagandaan nito, everyday nagki-clear yung trades. The next day, another set of trades. So, ganun kadami natatrade and na-close din siya during the day. No? So, 80 to 100 trades can give you profit na mararamdaman mo. So, ang monthly target is 5 to 10% and ang profit share ay 20/80. So, ang account type ay Sense STP. So, ito yung nire-recommend namin and sinasuggest namin sa mga gustong mag-start sa copy trading. So, para makita mo agad and maramdaman mo yung nilalaki ng account mo. Smart Algo. Next is we have Golden Algo. This one is very promising. So, same with Smart Algo, ang minimum capital dito is only $300. And, of course, recommended is higher. So, ang tinatrade dito is only gold. Wala siya tinatrade na forex or mga currencies. Ang tinatrade niya ay gold only. And imagine, number of trades daily, 200 to 800 trades per day. Okay? So, ganun kadami yung natatrade nito and na-close din siya. So, ibig sabihin, the more na maraming trades, the more na mas may chance or yung potential income mo na mag-profit yung account mo. Monthly target is 5 to 10%. Profit share is 20/80. And ang account type ay Cents. Okay? So, ang recommended namin para sa mga beginner ay Smart Algo. And for those na gusto yung gold yung tinitrade, ito syempre, Golden Algo. Imagine mo, napakadaming trades ito. Mas marami yung tinitrade ito kaysa sa Smart Algo. So, kahit ano doon, piliin mo or both, pwede sa'yo. Next is we have Expert Algo. So, here, ang minimum capital is $500. So, recommended is higher. Trading instrument, Forex and Metals, and it only trades 8 to 15 trades per day. So, medyo conservative, but this portfolio is more of a sniper entry. So, this is perfect para sa mga gusto ng konti lang yung trades, pero alam mo na higher yung win rate, kumbaga pasok yung trades. So, napakaganda rin ang portfolio na to, and ang monthly target nito is 5 to 10%. Meron tong profit share na 20/80, and ang account type ay Cents. Okay? Expert Algo, guys. Napakaganda na ito. Last but not the least is, of course, Alpha Pro. So, ang minimum capital dito is $1,000. Perfect to sa mga investors na naghahanap ng steady but long-term na copy trading. So, pwede kang mag-start here ng 1,000 USD. And ang tinatrade nito ay Forex and Metals, 10 to 16 pairs. Grabe, di ba? And ang number of trades daily, 30 to 50 trades. So, steady, di ba? And long-term. So, profitable, yes. Monthly target is 5 to 10% and meron itong profit share na 20/80. Account type ay Cents. Okay? So, yan yung 8 product ng FCAT na pwede mong pagpilian depending on your capital, depending on your risk appetite, and of course, depending on your trading goals. So, bang kumita ng maganda, ng malaki? Gusto mo ba ng steady, dahan-dahan? Or gusto mo ng low reward? It's up to you. Pwede mong pagpilian dyan. And yes, pwede mong i-copy lahat. Walang limit kung ilan. Okay? So, guys, disclaimer, past performances do not guarantee future results. So, always mo tandaan, yung pagtitrade sa Forex, laging merong involved na risk. Okay? So, only invest the money that you can afford to lose. Huwag kang mag-invest ng perang ipapangutang mo or last money mo na or emergency fund ng family mo. So, very clear tayo sa ating disclaimer. And guys, FCAT, Forex Capital Advanced Trading, your gateway to automated trading and passive earnings.